We've got a wonderful service technician staff that we are from Oklahoma to Minnesota, and people spread out throughout all those locations, so that when you have a problem, we're able to get a technician to you. We're trying to continue to fill in gaps where we're maybe a little bit further away from a customer. We're trying to get those technicians a little closer, but make sure they're well trained. We certainly have the ability to call in and for tech help support. We've got folks that can answer some basic questions. We can't spend an hour, 2 hours with you going through and truly troubleshooting every little thing, but we can answer some basic questions for you, what to look for. Our parts team does a wonderful job of being able to do that and get you the right part out to help you on the technical side. But when it's in over your head, guess what? We're a phone call away. We've got wonderfully well-trained technicians, been with us, majority of them, 10 plus years, that can come out and get your equipment up and running for you. Through our website, we will have, we're in the process of redoing our website with, mentioned before, with our new RJ Kool parts, but we're also going to be putting manuals out there that they can get out and do some self-help tech where they can find their manuals, get them downloaded, whether it's troubleshooting or parts manuals to help them, again, do some more self-help. We do an annual service school where we invite folks in that will teach them how to do, again, more basic type repairs. But, our guys like to fix more complicated problems, the simple little things that we kind of, their mind, they wish the customer would take care of themselves. They feel bad about giving them an expensive repair bill when it's something we could have taught them how to fix fairly easily.